Chapter 2, exercise 2.8, fourth sum. If 2 cos alpha is equal to x plus 1 by x and 2 cos beta is equal to y plus 1 by y, show that the four result. Solution. The given equation 2 into cos alpha is equal to x plus 1 by x. First of all, solve this equation to find the value of x square, x value, which implies that 2 into cos alpha is equal to x square plus 1 whole divided by x. Next, cross multiplication. 2 into cos alpha into x, that is equal to x square plus 1. To form of quadratic equation, which implies that x square minus 2 into cos alpha into x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Solve this equation to find the value of x. So first of all, a is equal to 1. Next, b is equal to minus 2 into cos alpha. Next, c is equal to 1. So x, that is equal to formula we know that minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a, which implies that minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a minus b means 2 into cos alpha plus or minus root of this one b square means 4 into cos square alpha minus 4 into 1 into 1 the whole divided by 2 into 1, that is equal to first term 2 into cos alpha plus or minus this one 1 4, this one 1 4, the common 4 taking outside in common 4 outside of the root is equal to 2. So 2 into cos square alpha minus 1 the whole divided by 2 is equal to 2 is a common value, the remaining value cos alpha plus or minus the common value of minus 1 inside of the root, so minus of into 1 minus cos square alpha the whole divided by 2. So 2 2's are cancelled. The remaining value is cos of is equal to cos alpha plus or minus, next inside of the root minus is equal to I, that means I square, that is called I into 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, outside of the sin square theta is equal to sin alpha is equal to sin alpha. So therefore x, that is equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha, the x value. Similarly, solve the second equation to find the value of y. So similarly, y, that is equal to cos beta plus I sin beta, cos beta plus I sin beta. The first subdivision x by y plus y by x, that is equal to 2 into cos of alpha minus beta, 2 into cos of alpha minus beta. The first value x by y, so x by y is equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha whole divided by cos beta plus I sin beta is equal to this one, the complex polar form in trigonometry. So convert the exponential form e power I into alpha divided by e power I into beta. So denominator is going to numerator is equal to e power I alpha into e power minus I alpha beta is equal to, so base common in power addition, so e power I into alpha minus beta, b power I into alpha minus beta, then x by y, that is equal to x by y is equal to So e power, that is called cos of alpha minus beta plus I sin of into alpha minus beta. This one x by y. Next, to find out the value of y by x. So y by x. So next now y by x, that is equal to 1 divided by x by y is equal to x by y already finded. That means 1 divided by cos of into alpha minus beta plus I sin of into alpha minus beta. So the complex polar form is in denominator, is going to numerator, just change to before of I is equal to minus, that is called cos of alpha minus beta minus I sin of into alpha minus beta. The next, adding this equation, the first equation, then second equation. So x plus y by x is equal to x by y. X by y is equal to cos of alpha minus beta plus I sin of into alpha minus beta plus cos of alpha minus beta minus I sin of into alpha minus beta. The common value of this one, so this one positive value, this one negative value, so cancel to sin value. The remaining value is 2 into cos of into alpha minus beta. We get the result of the first subdivision. Next, going to second subdivision. So second subdivision means x y minus 1 by xy, that is equal to 2y into sin of into alpha plus beta. First, to find out xy, that means x y. X means cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Next, y means cos beta plus I sin beta. So two complex polar form multiplication is equal to addition of that angle, that is called cos of into alpha plus beta plus I sin of into alpha plus beta. That is the multiplication of xy. Two complex polar form multiplication is simply adding to angle. So next, to find out the value of 1 by x. So 1 by x, that is equal to 1 by x is equal to cos of into alpha plus beta plus I sin of into alpha plus beta. Next one, this one, the 1 divided by this one, 1 divided by, so is going to numerator is equal to cos of alpha plus beta minus I sin of into alpha plus beta. So next, xy minus 1 by xy, that is equal to xy is equal to cos of into alpha plus beta plus I sin of into alpha plus beta. Next one, minus of into cos of alpha plus beta minus, so minus inside multiplication, minus minus plus I sin of into alpha plus beta. The next, the common value should be cancelled. Common value means first term, cos of alpha beta cancel. So is equal to the remaining value, the 2 times of I terms. So 2 times of I into sin of into alpha plus beta. So therefore x y minus y by x, that is equal to 2y into sin of into alpha plus beta. That is second result over. Next is going to third result. So third result means next going to third result. Result number 3, x power m divided by y power n minus y power n divided by x power m is equal to 2i into sin of into m alpha minus n beta. First, to find out x power m. So x power m is equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha the whole power m. So is equal to cos m alpha plus I sin n m alpha. Next to y power n. Y power n is equal to cos beta plus I sin beta the whole power n is equal to cos n beta plus I sin n beta. First to find out x power m divided by y power n, that is equal to cos of m alpha plus I sin of m alpha whole divided by cos of n beta plus I sin of n beta is equal to this one trigonometrical complex polar form. To convert e power I into m alpha by e power I into n beta. Denominator is going to numerator e power I into m alpha into e power minus I into n beta. So this one base should be same, power is equal to added e power minus I into m alpha minus n beta. So that is equal to, to convert the value of cos of into m alpha minus n beta plus I sin of into m alpha minus n beta. That is the value of x power m, then y power n. So next y power n divided by x power m is equal to 1 divided by x power m by y power n is equal to, the reciprocal of this term is equal to cos of m alpha minus n beta, next minus I sin of m alpha minus n beta. Adding these two result, we get the third subdivision answer. Next one, the first result x power m by y power n. Next minus of minus y power n by x power m. So is equal to, the first result answer cos of into m alpha minus n beta plus I sin of into m alpha minus n beta, next minus cos of into m alpha minus n beta, next plus I sin of into m alpha minus n beta. The first term, third term should be cancelled, the remaining term 2I into sin of into m alpha n beta, that is hence the result x power m by y power n minus y power n by x power m. The third subdivision is completed. Next one, fourth subdivision. Fourth one x power m, then y power n, x power m y power n minus plus 1 divided by x power m y power n is equal to 2 into cos of into m alpha plus n beta. First to find out, already you have to find out this value. Next x power m y power n is equal to x power m, that is equal to cos m alpha plus I sin m alpha into cos n beta plus I sin n beta. So two complex polar form multiplication, very easy. So adding to angle, So cos of into m alpha plus n beta plus I sin of into m alpha plus n beta. So that is called x power m y power n. Next one, to find out x power m, then y power n is equal to 1 divided by cos of into m alpha plus n beta. Next one, plus I sin of into m alpha plus n beta, that is equal to, this one is going to numerator, so cos of into m alpha plus n beta minus I sin of into m alpha plus n beta. So next, this one 1 divided by x power m y power n. So therefore x power m y power n minus 1 by x power m y power n is equal to cos of m alpha plus n beta plus I sin of into m alpha plus n beta. Next one, plus cos of into m alpha n beta minus I sin of into m alpha plus n beta. So is equal to the common value, imaginary part should be cancelled, remaining 2 times of into cos of into m alpha plus n beta. So therefore x power m y power n minus 1 divided by x power m y power n is equal to 2 times of into cos of into m alpha plus n beta. Hence the result, the 4 results should be proved.